Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back. So today we have a new product. We have the lift kit on this bike, and now we're going for, we'll pick this up after, A-arms. Let me guess, this is no knife. We have A-arms, boys and girls. So we have the front bottom A-arms. Stock bushings should fit in. Then we have the rear A-arms. Stock bushings should also fit in here. Well, that's a good way to break them in. It also comes with a front lift. And then another front and rear here. So my question is, where's the bolt? Bolt? So we have a high lifter lift kit. This comes from CFAB, and I'd like to thank North 49 for ordering this for me. So I would have thought that the front A-arms would have been like the rears, right? You got your bend, your shocks go up 2 inches, but that's not the case. Let's put this here like this so that way it doesn't fall. Instead, these will just go to the bottom of them and just give us a little bend, and that's it. That's all this does. This is why we need the mini lift kit. I don't know if the high lifter can still fit on this, but we'll figure it out. We always do, right? So stick around, and this is gonna get done soon, hopefully. Peace.